Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry and I like to buy stuff, and you found Terry Buys Stuff, except today I didn't buy this at all. This was the Google Home Mini freebie from Spotify. So excited to have this in my hands. Google Home Mini, small and mighty. Google Home Mini is powered by the Google Assistant. So it says here you can ask it questions, tell it things to do. It's never been easier to get hands-free help in any room. It's a know-it-all. It can tackle your day, can make hands-free calls, enjoy your entertainment, voice control your home. So in this house, we've generally been an Amazon house, and we'll save saying her name. You already know who I'm talking about because I'm gonna set her off in all of your houses. So we'll save that. But I really don't know anything about the Google Home Mini because I just haven't even done the research. Now, if you go to I'll tell you what, Google search it, Spotify Home Mini, and we're gonna do that right now. You're gonna find out that you're able, if you have a Spotify account that you're paying for, you can get this at no charge. MSRP on this is $49.95, so it's a $50 value. You'll see this on the Spotify site. Join Premium now and get a Google Home Mini on us. So it'll say get individual or get family. Go ahead and hit that if you're already paying for Spotify, because then you can scroll down and say I already have an account, and they'll send you one too. That's how I got mine. So here's some of the details. We're gonna go over what the Google Home Mini actually does, but here's the T's and C's on this. It is fulfilled by Google. This was sent to me from Google, and the Google linking Spotify with Google Assistant. So I linked my Spotify account to this. You gotta do that. The offer ends 11/15/19, and then it's while supplies last. The code expires after 12/31/19, and it doesn't apply to the Google Nest Mini device. So aside from that, Spotify users, get on it. If you don't have Spotify, this might be a reason to get Spotify. So now let's get into the Google Home Mini. Open up the box. I'm sure there's probably gonna be some kind of app I need to download on my cell phone because I have the Amazon Products app. Okay. Oh, here's a tear here. I got mine in the color chalk. They gave me an option of like a blue, a red, chalk, and then black. So, very nice presentation. Oh, it's so tiny. How cute is that? And it's got the nice little kind of dust cover on the speaker. Looks like I got a mic switch and power. So, all right. Let's see what else is in the box. You take out the holder. We have a let's get started. We have a power source. Oh, that's kind of neat. It's round. Kind of interesting. Looks a little more modern. And then I think that's it. I'm just gonna take out the rest of the box. Yeah, nothing else under there. Okay, very cool. So let's get this plugged in. Oh, I like their cord packaging, the way they have this. I might want to keep these. The cute, it's like a little clip. I'm not gonna throw those just yet because I'm not exactly sure where Google Mini is gonna go. Right now I currently have 2 Amazon products in my kitchen. Okay, this cord is plugged in, but before we plug it in, let's just take a quick look at the let's get started. Plug it in. That easy. And get the app. Download the Google Home app from Google Play App Store and then follow the steps on the screen to finish. So I'm gonna go ahead and download that now. Okay, it says welcome home and get started. So I'm gonna get started and I will do it with my Gmail account. Okay guys, it's telling me it's looking for devices, so I guess I better get this plugged in. And I see the 2 little lights. That means we're Loading her up. 4 little lights. Oh, there we go. How cute is that? Something's happening.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, we did that. Google found Home Mini. Would I like to set up this device? Sure would. And now she's connecting. Activate voice match on this device. Your assistant can already recognize you by your voice, and it can tell you apart from others. Voice match upgrade is available. It's telling me it can already use recordings it's already made of me in this setup. And it should take less than a minute. Oh, this is kind of fun. It gives me an option to choose the Google voice that I want for my assistant. So voice 1 sounds like this.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Okay, let's try voice 2.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Ooh, maybe we want a guy, since the Amazon is a lady.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Let's do the guy next. And now it's asking me to link music services. It's saying Spotify is already active. Of course it's active because I linked it. I can also link Pandora, YouTube Music. That's a free service. Deezer, an account is required. Okay, so I got my music linked up. It's also asking to link radio services. I don't have Sirius, so I'm going to skip that. I can link video services, which there's really no reason to because this is not a screen. But that is really cool because the Amazon product does not, well, good question. I don't know if it does on their screen. I'm sure it does Prime, but it probably doesn't do Netflix. This has Netflix. Get started with voice calls. Start and receive high quality voice calls with anyone who has Google Duo. Okay. I don't have Google Duo. It says you're ready to start and receive voice calls on your speaker. Okay, so if you see me in your Google Duo, we both got Duo and we can talk through it. Add a payment method, which I'm not going to do right now. Change your caller ID. Add a personal number so people know who's calling. This is the kitchen speaker. I have a couple services on here. It says it's ready.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant.
Ooh.
I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Okay. They respond when I say, hey Google. You see their lights went on. Or I can say, okay Google.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help.
Okay Google, play some music.
Playing some music on Pandora. You can always feel free to ask, what song is this?
Okay, Google, stop. We don't want to get a copyright strike. Okay, so I can tell Google to get some stuff done. Hey, Google, tell me about my day.
Hi, you've found the new Good Morning routine. Let's try it together. First, let's see what your day looks like. Right now in North Las Vegas, it's 73 and sunny. Today, it'll be sunny with a forecasted high of 75 and a low of 45. Next, I'll play the news. And just so you know, you can customize this routine. I can also turn on lights, start coffee, play music, play a podcast, and more. To customize your Good Morning routine, take a look at routine settings in the Google Home app. Have a good day. Here's the latest news. From Reuters TV US at 12:52 p.m. today.
Okay, Google, stop. So it's pretty good sound quality. Okay, Google, stop. So I will say I like these little lights. I like the, oh, and it's not stopping.
Saudi Arabia kicks off an IPO.
Okay,
of the
Google.
world's biggest.
Stop news. Okay, Google, what time is it?
It's 1:07.
Okay, so hopefully now we've cleared that out. So that was interesting because I don't know how to make them stop.
Oil company.
Oh, wow.
Beta.
We're back to the news again. Is it done? So I need to stop saying the word okay. There's a...
Calls it quits.
Oh my gosh, you guys, what's happening? Why did it do that? I don't know. I have to learn more about this. Oh my gosh, you guys, this isn't stopping. Get to know your Mini. Touch controls. Oh, it's a mic switch. So you can turn it off on the side.
Reuters now.
Okay, so every time I pick it up, it does it again. Okay, Google,
Saudi
stop.
Arabia kickstarted an initial public
Google.
offering of the world's largest oil company on Sunday.
Okay, Google.
3 years up.
Stop. I don't think I like Google. Okay, so I can tap on the left and right to turn it up and down. That's down, okay. Long press is play and pause on the side. That's why it keeps turning on. Okay, I figured that out.
After a listing of Saudi Aramco was first...
Oh, okay. That makes me feel a little better because I was like, what's wrong with this thing? So if you touch the left-hand side, like let's say this was in Spotify a little bit ago, and I just came up and touched it like this, it's back on doing what it was.
Just 7 weeks up.
Okay, that makes more sense now. We can set timers with this. Hey Google, set a timer for 20 seconds.
Okay, 20 seconds. And we're starting now.
Okay, so let's see how they sound on that. We can do shopping lists. We can call people. We can ask it to wake us up at 7 a.m. with music. We can say play relaxing sounds. We can turn on radio stations and tune in. We can dim the lights and play some music. It wants to get a little romantic. There's all... Okay, that's not bad. That's its alarm. So I bet I can tell it to stop or I can probably touch it. That's kind of cool. That is really cool that you can touch it. What I do want to know about this one is if I tell it to put something on my calendar, does it go straight to my calendar on my phone because I use Google? So let's take a test and try that. Okay, Google, set a reminder.
I couldn't verify your voice, so I can't set any reminders. You can either try again or verify your voice match settings in the Google Home app.
Okay, Google, set a reminder.
I couldn't verify your voice, so I can't set any reminders. You can either try again or verify your voice match settings in the Google Home app.
Okay, guys, I took a little break and I reprogrammed Google to understand my voice, so now it does set reminders. Hey, Google, set a reminder.
What's the reminder?
Call my mom.
All right, call my mom. When do you want to be reminded?
7 p.m.
Sure, I'll remind you at 7 p.m.
There you go. Now my Google dude recognizes my voice. Also, I went online and I looked up 19 of the coolest things that you can do with your Google Home. So let's just take a look at a few of them. Play white noise while you fall asleep. Hey Google, play white noise. That might be interesting. Or I suppose maybe I could even tell it to play like waves. Hey Google, play the sounds of the ocean. And remember, I can touch it to stop. Long touch, that is so cool. You can broadcast something to every Google in your home. So even I could go on my cell phone and tell my husband, hey, I'm on my way home. You can control your smart home with it. You can remind yourself to work out, or like I just did, call your mom. You can make hands-free calls. You can find your lost phone. You can switch it to night mode, meaning it won't disrupt you. You can turn on and off the TV. If your TV supports HDMI CEC standard, and many recent models do, you have one of Google's Chromecast plugged in, you can use Google Home to turn it on and off your TV. In fact, I have a new Chromecast I've never used, so I'm gonna go look into that for myself. You can ask it to tell you a story, play a game, play musical chairs, beatbox for me, speak in different languages. Hey Google, how do you say I love you in German?
In German, you would say,
Ich liebe dich.
Oh, there you go. That's kind of cool. I can use that. Switch back and forth between different languages. You can find plumbers, handymen, businesses, set up daily routines. I'm only on number 14. Ask it to tell you jokes. Ask it to remember things for you. Get help in the kitchen, like recipes and so forth. Wake in the music with your favorite, wake in the morning with your favorite music, and set reminders to watch your favorite shows. Oh, let's do a good one. Hey Google, set a reminder.
what's the reminder?
Hallmark Christmas premiere is on now.
Alright, Hallmark Christmas premiere is on now. When do you want to be reminded?
Every Saturday at 8 p.m.
Alright, I'll remind you every Saturday at 8 p.m.
And we'll shut it off the day after Christmas. And that was the 14 top things. So guys, I really like the sound quality. It is just as good, maybe even a little higher than my Amazon Dot products, which I like those too. You know what? The price was free, so you can't beat that because it was the Spotify Premium. And I really feel like we could have some fun with this in our home. So we're gonna keep our Google Dude and get that Chromecast and see if we can get that going on. So I am gonna pull it out. I'm gonna pull it out, the Terry Buys Stuff big thumbs up for the Google Home Mini. And I'm gonna put the link for the Spotify in the description below. And remember, that does have an expiration date. So get on that if you have a Spotify account, or if you want a new Spotify account, then you can get this when you sign up. So big thumbs up, Google Dude. Hey, if you're liking the videos, give me the big thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll be reminded of more shopping fun that happens on this channel. I appreciate you, love you guys, and I just am so happy you're here. All right, well, I'm gonna go play with my Google Dude. Hey Google, say goodbye.
As the French say, au revoir.
Au revoir. Goodbye. Until next time, guys.